Okay, so I've had this machine for a little bit now. I got to myself a Makita router so I can do much more harder woods and also aluminum because this thing actually does rip and tear pretty good. And something that I've done, I got a relay set up over there, and I can do the software control of turning this thing on and off with a shop vac. I'm printing off the um, the dust chute for it, but for right now, I know that this works because when I turn the spindle on, I also have to move it a little bit. Both the shop vac and the spindle turns on, so that's good news for me. Once I get some modifications going, which of is that I'm gonna be increasing the height of it so I can do thicker wood. So these plates right here would be changed out. I'm also contemplating weighing out if it'd be worth it for me to modify this plate right here, which won't be too hard, to make it longer. Well, more like a mod to replace it rather than modifying what's on here to make it taller for the benefit of having longer bits and just like a nice feature to have in general. So yeah, that's just a short little vid of me barely having this for a month and how much fun I've been having with it. So yeah, hopefully all things goes well. Also, this is something that I've made along with this machine here. A nice little shield. So I'm looking forward to the kind of projects I'll be able to do with this. Alrighty, and yeah.